Clean and well-kept 3BR home. Perfect location for small family with elementary school and large park within walking distance. Close to downtown Summerlin, Red Rock Casino and National Park. Lots of windows and secluded front entrance. Landscaped yard with mature trees and artificial grass. New hardwood flooring on stairway and upstairs. Sealed garage floor with lots of storage. Amenities available: central air, central heat, deck, dishwasher, hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, updated kitchen, updated bathroom, storage, washer-dryer, ceiling fans. Plantation shutters, landscaped yard, secluded front entrance, and ring, at ready. Utilities included, trash and sewer. Is pet friendly. Date available: September 1st, 2025. $2, $750 per month rent. $2. $750 security deposit required. Please submit the form on this page or contact Brandon to learn more.